So over here you can see that I have an audio wave file. So now if you want to play a particular reason and then keep the play reason logged, then you can easily do so by using the transport menu. So to do that, first of all, you need to go around and select off the portion which you want the play reason to be logged out in. So once I select that out, I can go around over here on to transport and you can go to play reason right here. So once you click on lock, what happens is that the play reason is logged out. So now if you were to play, it'll play out from that particular reason right here. So if I were to play again, it'll just play that particular reason. And if you want to unlock that play reason, then you can go around over here into transport again, and in play reason you can click on unlock, and what happens is that the play reason gets unlocked just like that. And that is how you can work around with locking and unlocking of play reason inside of Audacity. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.